Hello friends, welcome to the learning curve. Now look at this geometric problem. We have to find the perimeter and area of the given figure. Now let me define perimeter first. Perimeter is the sum of the length of all sides of the figure, right? And area is the space occupied by the figure. Okay. Now what is the data that is given? First of all, I'll write the data that is given. In this, you can notice that this is a rectangle and these are the two identical semicircles, right? Here you can see in this figure that this is the length of the rectangle, right? And similarly, this is the diameter of the circle as well. So, how you can find the radius? Just check out that this is the radius and here this is the radius of the circle. Okay, so what is given? The length of the rectangle is given, that is equals to 21 centimeters, right? And second thing that is given is diameter of the circle. Diameter of the circle is given as 21 centimeter, right? Now, first of all, for calculating the perimeter, we have to find out some other data as well, right? Look at this. This is the first thing that we require is the radius, and radius is diameter upon 2. So, what you can do, just divide 21 by 2. So, you get here 10.5 centimeter, right? So, this is the radius of the circle. So, again, let me mark in this figure. This is 10.5 and this length is also 10.5, right? Next, what we are going to find out? We are going to find out the breadth of the rectangle, that is this length. How we are going to calculate it? Just notice in the figure that this length is 36 centimeter, right? So, by subtracting this radius and this radius from 36 centimeter, you will get the breadth of the rectangle. So, I'll write it as breadth of rectangle is equals to 36 minus 10.5 minus 10.5. These two lines, right? 36 minus 21 and here you get 15 centimeter is the breadth of the rectangle, right? Now next thing, next data that we want is the perimeter. Like this length we have calculated, this length, this opposite side of the rectangle have the same length, right? So this we have calculated as 15 centimeter and this is also 15 centimeter, right? Now we have to find the circumference of this circle, right? If you can notice that this is a semicircle and this is a semicircle, they have the same radius. Basically, this is a one circle. So either you find the semicircle of circumference of one semicircle and then multiply it with 2, or find the circumference of one circle as a whole, like this side and this side. So how you will calculate it? Next thing that we need over here is circumference of semicircle, which is equals to 2 pi r upon 2. So put the values, just cancel. First of all, 2 is cancelled. So put the values. Pi is 22 upon 7. And since radius that you calculated earlier is 21 upon 2. After cancellation, right, you get the circumference of the semicircle equals to 33 centimeter. Now let's mark it in the figure as well. This area, this semicircle has a circumference 33 centimeter and this side is also 33 centimeter, right? Now we are going to calculate the perimeter of the figure. Now just check out from the picture. We will add up 15 and 15 and this 33 and this 33. So you can write 33 plus 33 plus 15 plus 15, and when you add up you get 96 centimeter. So perimeter is equals to 96 centimeter. So one thing we have achieved. Now we'll find the area of the figure. Again, just notice in the figure that we have to calculate the area of this rectangle and the area of this circle, and then just add them up to find the area of the figure, right? So first we calculate the area of rectangle, which is equals to 21 length into breadth, 21 into 15. So you get here 315 centimeters square, right? Next, we are going to find the area of circle, which is equals to pi r square. Listen, again I am explaining. This semicircle joined together, that will make a single circle. So just you find the area, that is 22 upon 7 into radius is 21 upon 2 whole square. Just expand it. So you get this 11 and I think this is 33 into 21 upon 2. So you get here 346.5 centimeters square. Now the area of the total figure is, can be calculated by adding up both the values, that is 346.5 plus 315, and you get 661.5 centimeters square, and we are done.